So what you're seeing on there in between the sign just above the arch, first word is thymotiki, and the next one is agora. Now agora is Greek, especially ancient Greek, for marketplace, meeting place. One of the most famous agoras is the Ancient Agora of Athens, obviously in Athens. Definitely recommend you go there, but let's go in. You're not going to find loads of things as what we would expect to market in this one, but it's mainly touristy and things. But let's see what we can have a look at. Kalimera sas. So, the usual things, touristy stuff, packets of nuts and stuff. Now, I recommend you get these. You don't just get these in cars, all over in Greece. Just trying to get the camera here. These are like peanuts with sesame seeds on top and like toffee. Obviously not very good if you're allergic to peanuts, but these are what we say Moorish. Isn't that right, Jan?
I love them.
So
My favourite.
Yeah. Okay, usual things, boxes of baklava. As a tip with these, be careful because sometimes the boxes, they hide, like that one there I'm picking up, there's not much weight in there. So you think you're getting quite a lot, and in reality, you're not. A lot of them, you don't. Okay. So let's take a view and look up. Yeah. Now most agoras, or agora, depending how you're pronouncing it, would have all sorts of things, fruit and veg and all sorts. This has a little bit, just over there, but we'll have a look. So let's have a look at meli. Meli is a Greek word for honey. Now, Kos is really known for some of the world-class honeys, in particular from Thyme. Okay. Yeah. Mainly because the bees here feed on thyme, and it is really, really tasty. It can be a little bit expensive. The other thing you're also going to see is lots of, and this is where we have a bit of an argument here. I call this nougat. What do you call it?
Nugget.
So which do you prefer? Is it nougat or is it nugget? I suppose I'm going a bit French there, saying nougat. But you'll find these not just in Kos, but everywhere else. Okay, let's continue. I'm here through here. You've also got the usual spices on here. Specific things in case you can't see them. You got feta, tzatziki. Everyone knows tzatziki. Greek salad, mixed for lamb. You'd also use actually for kleftiko, which is lamb cooked in nice shiny brown paper. And your usual things, fruit and veg, and all sorts. So I think that's probably enough of the agora that you've actually seen on there. Let's head out. It's not a bad place. Another good point about when going into shops is you get the air conditioning, and it really is absolutely nice. You can tell the difference in heat when you come outside. So